Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today is going to be my last final attempt at fall planting. For the really odd angle. This is the section, and it's right in the walkway where the gate is, and so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we can see here I have these dried seed pods, and I think they're radish. There could be some turnip as well. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna harvest some of those seed pods because we can replant them, and then I will pull the stuff out, but I'm going to be putting the things back in to keep Dexter out of the pot. So this is, as you can see, this is Dexter's little hidey hole where he goes and says hi to the neighbors. So that's why I have the tomato cages in the bed so that he won't run across it to say hi to the neighbors. So I will leave this spot open for you. Sorry, Dex. Let's clear that out. These have gotten insane. Okay. But we're gonna keep this one here so that your little head doesn't get in the way. All right, so can you, excuse you, there you go. All right. Okay, so we are going to be planting some seeds here, and I don't know what they're gonna be. And I'm just gonna figure it out, and I'll show you at the end.
Yeah, I see it,
because
I see it.
we have company, and Dexter's freaking out. I found a walnut. Someone's gonna be mad about that. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we have better luck this time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.